In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Flodesk form to your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. This straightforward process is an excellent way to seamlessly integrate your email marketing efforts with your Shopify site, making it efficient for both your online business and your audience. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to start by collecting the necessary code from Flodesk. So open your browser, head over to flodesk.com and log into your account. If you're new to the platform, or perhaps it's been a while, make sure your login credentials are at hand, as this will make things a little smoother. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate directly to the Flodesk form that you intend to use on your Shopify store. You'll find the form easily within your dashboard. After opening your form, look for the button labeled Embed. This is where we'll get the powerful code snippet that makes this integration possible. Click on Embed, and you'll see a section titled Inline Embed Code. All you need to do here is copy this code. This snippet serves as the link between Flodesk and your Shopify store, and it's what we'll be using in the next step to bring your form to life on your site. Now that you have the code, it's time to head over to Shopify. Open a new tab and log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to your online store by clicking on Online Store from the left-hand sidebar, then go to Themes and click on Customize. This section is where you can modify the appearance and functionality of your Shopify site. Next, think carefully about where you'd like your Flodesk form to appear. It could be on your homepage to capture new visitors instantly, or perhaps on a specific product page, depending on where you think it will be most effective. Once you've decided, click on Add Section and choose Custom Liquid. This option will allow you to insert the code directly into your Shopify theme. In the Custom Liquid field that opens, paste the Flodesk code that you copied earlier. After you've ensured that the code has been pasted correctly, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located in the upper right-hand corner, and click it. Saving finalizes the embedding process and publishes the form live on your store, making it viewable to your audience. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully embedded a Flodesk form in your Shopify store. This integration can significantly enhance your email marketing efforts by capturing customer data effortlessly. Remember, if at any point you need to adjust the form's placement or design, you can return to these settings and make necessary changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your online endeavors.